In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up and add a shift code into our message using a Best Code continuous inkjet printer. So from the home screen, I'm going to click on the edit message, and then once I'm at the edit message screen, I'm going to go ahead and click on the new. So I'll hit edit, I'll hit new. From new, we're talking about AutoCode fields. That's where you'll find shift codes. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit shift codes. I'm going to go ahead and erase this one that I already had pre-programmed. Okay, so from here we're going to hit the advanced. From advanced, you'll see that you have general, date and time, counters, and print mode. We're talking about date and time, so we're going to go ahead and hit that. Here you'll see that you have shift codes. So let's go ahead and hit the shift codes. That's what we're talking about. So here we have shift 1. We can add as many shifts as you want here. Shift 24, depending on how many hours you guys work. Normally we have 3 shifts, so I'm going to go ahead and make it 3 shifts. We're talking about shift 1 right now, so I'll go ahead under the start time and I'm going to program 6 a.m. I'll hit the corner here. Over here you have code, whatever you want to call your shift. You can call it A, B, C, you can call it just about anything. But for here, just to show you guys, I'm just going to call shift 1, which starts at 6 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and erase what we have here already pre-programmed, and I'm just going to call it A. And then I'll hit the start here. Now we're going to go to shift 2. Shift 2, if I added 8 hours to 6, we're talking military time. So I'll go ahead and I'll erase this and I'll add 1400 for 1400 hours. I'll hit the OK here. Code again, whatever you guys want to call it. We're calling it A, B, and C for what I'm doing for a setup. So we're talking shift number 2. I'll go ahead and I'll erase this and I'm just going to put in B. And I'm going to say OK by hitting the arrow key. Now we're talking shift 3. Okay, so if we added from 14, 8, it would be 22. So 2200 hours military time. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to erase this, guys. I'm going to hit 2200. Now we're at 2200 hours. I'm going to press OK here. And we're talking about shift number 3, so I'm going to change the code that we're calling it. And we're going to just go ahead and call this C. So shift 1A, shift 2B, shift 3C. Depending on what time of the day is, that's what's going to show up in our message. Okay, guys, so I'll hit the go here. Now I'm just going to go back to show you what we have on our message. And we have B, because that is our time. It's past 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So how we programmed A, B, and C, right now we're on B shift or second shift. As long as that's in yellow, I can move it anywhere that I want. For now, I'm just test B, which would be second shift. And that's how you would set up and add a shift code into your message screen using one of our Best Code continuous inkjet printers.